If you would have to start up a website in 2025, though it's a pretty, obvious question, I give you a choice of buying an EMD, a PMD, or an expired age domain. What will you go ahead with?
It depends. Sometimes we go for PMDs because they make for good brands. EMD, the problem is how do you approach the branding question. It can be very good for ranking for this specific term, but if you want to grow into a brand, it may be harder, especially if it's not a .com. I think that everything has advantages and disadvantages in this, but the H domain is an asset. You buy it. It's an investment, but then if it doesn't work, you still have the asset. So it's not like you throw money into the bin.
And in anyways, you have that domain, you have that link, so you can do a couple of things. You can build up a PBN, do a 301 redirect, just in case if that does not work for you.
They are all good solutions in different situations. 301s work great if a lot of the links are to the homepage of the H domain, at least with some of the strategies. Also for some 301 strategies, it's important to have relevance. For others, not so much. It's all the 301s are all how to game the algorithm that this is legit and pass the real link juice. But 301s can never hurt. So it would either help or not help. There's never been a website that's penalized for 301s. Otherwise, you will be doing 301s of bad domains to the competition all day long. So